Alright, at this point what we want to do is to take all these front panel items, the USB and then the power switch, and attach those wires to their appropriate locations on the motherboard. Alright, so what I've done is I've completely separated pulled these wires out, and you can see here that they have the specific names: reset, power, and the LED lights. Now, it's going to be really difficult for you to see this, but they're going to be placed on the motherboard on the top side here, and you actually need to reference your wiring diagram so you can see it more clearly. Here's a picture of the motherboard oriented in the same way you're seeing it here, and we have the blow up of what those options are for the front panel headers. So we've got the reset switch, hard drive, LED, power switch, and the message or sleep LED. Okay, so the question is, well, what's positive and what's negative? For the power LED here, it's labeled positive and negative, but for some of these other ones, like the hard drive LED as an example, you have the black and the white wires that you can go by, but also, if you look hard, they've put a little triangle next to one of the wires. If there's a triangle next to it, that indicates a positive wire. And then you just follow the wiring diagram to attach your positive and negative. Now don't worry, it's not going to blow the whole system if you mess this up. It just won't work, and so you can come back and tweak it if you need to. But I'm going to go ahead and follow that wiring diagram and get those set up. So I'm going to start out with, let's start out with this one, which is the power. So this is the power switch. As always, make sure you're grounded, not carrying any static. And we've got the positive side. There we go. And just push that into place. Next one's going to be that hard drive LED. Alright, next we have the power LED. The last one is the reset switch. Again, you can follow that triangle for the positive side. Alright, so that completes the front panel connections. For now, I'm just going to take one of these twisty ties and set them to the side just to kind of keep everything together. Later on, we're going to set all the wiring a little bit in a more organized fashion, but for now I just want to get those connected. Alright, so that's your front panel header connection. So again, I know that was hard to see, but if you just follow that wiring diagram with your motherboard, you should be able to see how and where those get connected.